Welcome, fellow gardening enthusiasts, to our channel, where we explore the world of gardening and share our expertise with you. Today, we're going to show you how to grow figs from dried seeds indoors. It's a fascinating process that requires some patience, but the end result is well worth the effort. So, let's get started. Starting the growth of figs from seeds requires the careful selection of well-preserved, dried fig seeds for planting. These seeds are usually found inside dried fig fruits. I had the chance to dry some fig fruits last year, kickstarting my fig growing journey from seeds, and I thought it would be beneficial to share this intriguing experience with you. Given the small size of fig seeds, slicing the dried fig fruit into tiny pieces is a simple task. Each slice will hold a multitude of seeds that can be sown to initiate the growth of your very own fig plants. In order to create the ideal conditions for seed germination, it is important to have the appropriate supplies on hand. Small pots with drainage holes are essential for preventing water buildup and promoting good air circulation for the seeds. Furthermore, selecting a high-quality potting mix is crucial to provide the necessary nutrients for seed development. Whether you opt for a seed starting mix tailored for germination or a versatile potting mix, it is important that the mix is adequately moist but not excessively wet. This delicate balance is vital for establishing a nurturing environment for seeds to thrive. Fill the containers with potting soil, making sure to leave a few inches of space at the top for planting the seeds. This will provide enough room for the seeds to grow and develop their roots without being cramped or restricted by the soil. Additionally, leaving some space at the top will allow for easy watering and maintenance of the plants as they begin to sprout and grow. By following this simple step, you can ensure that your seeds have the best possible environment to thrive and flourish into healthy, vibrant plants. Now let's plant our dried fig seeds, gently placing them on top of the soil. It is important to make sure that the seeds are not too close to each other in order to allow them enough room to sprout and grow. By spreading out the seeds evenly in each container, we are giving them the best chance to thrive and develop into healthy fig plants. Planting multiple seeds in each container increases the possibility of successful germination and increases the chances of at least some seeds successfully germinating and producing new plants. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of potting mix, making sure they are evenly distributed for optimal growth. It is important to provide adequate coverage to protect the seeds and promote healthy germination. After covering the seeds, water gently but thoroughly to ensure that the potting mix is evenly moistened. This step is crucial in providing the necessary moisture for the seeds to sprout and begin their journey towards becoming healthy plants. By following these simple steps, you are setting the foundation for successful growth and development of your seeds. Figs require warm temperatures to germinate. Place the pots in a warm location with temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. 18 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can cause the seeds to overheat. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. You can mist the soil with a spray bottle to maintain the right level of moisture. In about 2 weeks the seeds will germinate. You'll start to see tiny seedlings emerge. Keep the soil moist and provide indirect sunlight. You can start to fertilize the seedlings with a balanced fertilizer once they have 2 sets of leaves. Once the fig seedlings have 2 sets of leaves, you can start to transplant them into single pots. Transplant the seedlings carefully, making sure not to damage the roots. And there you have it. With a little patience and care, you can grow your own fig trees from dried seeds right in your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tutorials. Happy gardening!